Oh, hi. Come here often? Fancy seeing you here. Been a minute.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Let me know if I'm driving too fast for you.
Oh, it's totally fine. I barely slept on the plane. It was so unfortunate. And on my Uber drive, it was where my Airbnb to the Miami airport. It was like 15 minutes. My Uber driver did not stop talking to me, and it's like 4:45 a.m. I was like, I can't do this. Like, you know, when you just wake up and your voice is all raspy. It was like that. It just wasn't a vibe. Now I'm here, and I went outside to figure out where I should call the Uber, and like, wow, it is so cold. Alrighty. When we next chat, I'll be reunited with my girl B.
Fast forward. Karen's back.
Yeah, I've just been away for so long. Like, I don't know. It just feels like I'm in Antarctica right now. My body's just not used to these cold temperatures.
Meanwhile, it's a pretty nice day out today. We came out to eat Thai food, and we'll get started with our date once we have.
Let's try that coffee place you were saying too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna find a Cuban coffee near our apartment.
You know, because I'm so like, I'm a world-class traveler. I'm like, I travel all around the world. It's no big deal.
Who is she? Miami changed her.
I've been new. You just didn't realize.
See you soon. Thai fried rice with vegetables, but can we do no tomato?
Yeah, with egg is fine.
Yeah. Yes. And then, do you want anything else?
No. You good?
Can I just also get
Sprinkles?
the wings?
Oh,
Wings.
okay,
I
fine.
need protein. I think that's it for now.
Just be my lover, 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 just be my lover.
What's up,
We are here watching other YouTubers,
British YouTubers?
our babes.
Yeah.
You know?
Just loving their energy, the accent. They're very fast paced. It's making me feel like we gotta talk a lot faster. Believe like.
Yeah, and I also just feel like sometimes I can't understand them because of their accent, and then I'm just like,
You
whoa,
actually have to
what just happened?
concentrate,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I'm just like the whole time, but I just feel like the British people have so much more
They're also younger. Too.
livelihood. Like, yeah, they're just like,
They have energy. Like we.
yeah, look at my room, look at this view, and I'm just like, I can't physically or mentally or emotionally move that fast.
I can't, especially not today.
I already feel drained all the time.
I'm
Like, how do
done.
they do it?
Maybe we have low iron.
Maybe.
I don't though.
You know what? I'm gonna go grab my coffee.
Should I have coffee too?
I don't know. Do you need it?
I feel like I have more anxiety.
I mean, don't we already have anxiety?
Yeah, that's been all day. Okay, let's have some sprinkles on that.
Okay.
Some jimmies of anxiety.
Look at the view. It actually looks so good today.
Not as good as Miami.
Shut up, Karen. Go home.
You know, believe when I was living in Miami,
Oh,
I would
God.
wake up every morning at 6 and go for a run along the beach. And I would just sit and watch the sunrise.
Uh-huh.
It was so great. I just need to go back. I was thriving.
You know, Karen, when you weren't living with me, I was having a great time.
There you were.
I had so much space.
Well, you just camped out of my room?
I actually did it when you come in here. I came in here like once to vlog and that's it. I was like, nah.
Not again.
Not again.
Today, Sam.
I started using
Cheers, mate.
Tazerac again because you know my skin's been.
Oh, I feel like my skin's been looking bad too.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe
Oh,
it's
you thought
'cause-
the same thing about my skin?
No, I was gonna say no. I don't know. Maybe it's because we've been eating out too much.
But that hasn't changed from like the last 6
Our
months.
bodies take time to start reacting
6 months?
on the outside. Yeah,
No.
I must have really shit for 6 months. All that Shake Shack slowly caught up. Another pimple.
No. It's called stress.
I don't know. I just feel like, you know, we gotta go back to 3N ways.
Not talking to each other?
Not talking, barely eating, eating in only.
For the next week, Baldeep and I are fasting.
That means we're actually just eating like normal humans at home.
Yeah.
That's what fasting is for us. It just means no fast food.
No eating out.
Nope, it's just...
Yeah, it's just gotta eat at home. I can already feel like coffee racing through me. My heart's beating faster.
It's like giving a child alcohol.
I need a haircut. Should we do that tomorrow?
No. We have too many videos to record tomorrow.
Oh, are we?
You should go get a haircut today since we're not filming today. Besides this.
I have to go all the way to Midtown. It's so far from me.
Here, just go to anyone.
I don't know. I have my lady.
You know,
I've been getting my haircut from her
You remember
on and off
you
since I was
said
21.
2020
22.
was
Is our
about
year?
change for you, and maybe it's time to change where you get a haircut.
I mean, Humble the Poet does say that you should start your resolutions now.
New hairstylist.
I don't want to go to a hairstylist though, and they're going to be like, you need to cut 4 inches off. Like, no, I don't. I just need a trim.
So luckily, the new person I went to just
Oh, should I go to Arlington?
Lexington.
Massachusetts, guys. For
They
those of you who
use-
don't know your geography.
They use Dyson hair dryers, and let me tell you, I've never felt so relaxed after coming out of a hair salon.
That sounds lovely.
It was just the best experience ever.
I need to be relaxed right now.
Lexington. Only 4.5 hours away. This coffee is so sweet though. Like, it's strong, but so sweet.
It is very sweet. I think we should get one of those things. Are you sure Sandy doesn't have one? Because I looked. It's really easy to make a Cuban coffee. Guys, I
Yeah.
watch videos.
I'm sure Sandy doesn't have one.
Where have I seen that? Maybe I saw it at work and just got confused.
Maybe steal it from there.
Yeah, I might just.
They have money.
Exactly.
We don't.
Exactly.
If any corporation ever finds you, never getting hired ever again.
SSA.
Hello. Karen, you can go first.
I don't even know where to begin. I'm so upset. I could cry. My food was like, okay, the last time I ordered food, I ordered ramen, and it was an hour and a half late, and it came cold, and I was really upset because I have a problem where I wait too long because it takes me a really long time to decide what I want to eat, and then I'm like starving, and then I finally make the decision because I'm so hungry, and then I have to wait for the food, and then I'm like even more upset, and then if there's a delay in the food arriving, then it just throws me off. And on top of that, the same thing happened today, and I'm tired, so it just feels even worse. I'm not, because I was in Miami. I don't know if you guys knew that.
Here we go again.
So I just feel really, really cold. That's why I'm wearing a blanket right now, and I'm so tired. And then my food came, and it's cold, and I'm just like, I need to go to sleep tomorrow. I mean, today was a good day. I just, towards the end of the day, I plummeted. Baldeep, what's happening on your end?
So I just ate leftovers from dinner yesterday or the day before. I am headed out to...
Party, Baldeep. Party.
Will I drink? Will I not drink? We don't know yet.
Will you vlog it?
Well, this vlog's already going up.
I know, but we can put it in tomorrow's.
Maybe if I feel comfortable.
Baldeep. This
Don't know YouTube me.
Maybe it's time they should. YouTube you is 2020 you, and if you don't start acting like 2020 you now, 2020 you will never happen.
No, guys, I don't know. Maybe we'll see. This is me distracting her from the conversation.
Yeah, it's not working. You're being really rude to our YouTube community.
Clean hands.
Okay, so Baldeep, even if it's just like a montage,
Like, what do you want me to stand in a corner and take shots?
Yeah,
And then just like be like,
exactly.
and then just tell them I'm like Snapchatting?
Yeah, exactly. Just a little something, because otherwise, what do we do? But yeah, okay, that's it. It's time for us to wrap it up.
See ya.